Welcome to the Electronic Signature DocuSign tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use CloudQuote's electronic signature automation with DocuSign to streamline your sales process. With just a few clicks, you can send your full sales pack to your client for signature quickly, securely, and professionally. Let's get started from your dashboard. Step 1. Navigate to Open Quotes from Server. This will open up the window showing all live quotes. Now double-click on the quote and close the window. Next, click on the Generate Quote drop-down. Here, you'll see a list of documents that are available to generate. This can include a quote and a sales pack. In the sales pack, you may have the following available: a rental agreement, a maintenance agreement, and/or a credit application. Now, generate the required document. For example, select the sales pack and choose the rental agreement. Once the document is generated, complete any required editable fields, and then click on the DocuSign Send for Signature icon. Step 2. Configure the signature request. A request signature pop-up will appear. Here, you can add a custom message or use the default "Please sign the document." Review and manage your signatories. By default, the owner is the user who generated the document. The signer is the primary contact on the quote. You can then adjust these roles if needed. Add additional signatories using the Add Signatory button. Define the signing order. Select who should receive email notifications. At the bottom, you'll see 3 options: Send as draft, Send for signature, Cancel. Step 3. Select to send the document. By clicking Send for signature, you'll be asked to confirm. Select Yes. You'll then be redirected to DocuSign to confirm that the authorization was successful. Once complete, CloudQuote will display a confirmation message: Document sent for signature. Step 4. Client signing process. Your client will receive an email with a secure link to review and sign the document. When they click the link, they'll be guided through the signing process in DocuSign and complete any relevant fields required. Once the document is signed, you'll receive a notification confirming completion. The signed document will automatically be stored within the quote. You will be able to open the quote at any time to view the completed signed document and a full signing history and audit trail for future reference. If you have premium access, you can choose to save the attachment to a memo as a document, as well as add a contract review reminder. And that concludes our overview of the DocuSign feature, a fast, simple way to send, sign, and store your sales documents. CloudQuote. Quick and easy.